So this is the superficial part of parotid gland with extension up to the zygomatic arch here in the above and overlapping with the masseter muscle in the front, and the inferior extent or the apex just below and behind the angle of the mandible, and cut to expose the venofacial plane and remove the posterior aspect of the gland to show where the facial nerve emerges between the styloid process in the front here, that is the styloid process, and this is the mastoid process here, and the facial nerve emerges between them through the stylomastoid foramen and enters the gland through the posteromedial surface of the parotid gland, and then it divides into the two trunks, which will further divide into 5 branches. Okay, and same plane you can also see the external carotid artery entering the posteromedial surface, that is the external carotid artery.